Right, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you had a good one. I thought I'd just do a little experiment with one of these cardboard candle things, where you get a coil of cardboard, cover it with wax, and I'll put it inside another tin, and that's boiling now. That's took 7 minutes outside to get that boiling. That's not bad really, and that'll cost you nothing at all really. Just an empty old Coke can, coil of cardboard, some candle wax on it. I've had to put this in here to raise it up a bit. I'd got that slightly wrong. If you hadn't cut this out so much, you could probably make your holder lower, so you wouldn't have to put that in the bottom there. So probably well worth doing now. Bit smoky, but for nothing it's pretty good.